So today we are going to solve another interesting problem. So let's begin.
So basically the problem is contains duplicate and given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So basically we have to find out whether there is an element that appears twice in the array or not, right? So for example, in this case 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1 is basically appearing twice, so it's basically true, right? So now let me create the approach and then I'll explain you in detail.
So the approach is quite simple here. We are going to maintain a hash set where we are going to track all the elements that we have traversed so far, and in every iteration we are going to check whether this particular element is already present in the set or not. If it does, then that means that we have already traversed in the array and that is present twice. So we will return true. Otherwise, if it is not present, then we are going to add it in the set, right? And if all the elements that we have traversed, none of them is basically present twice, then we are going to simply return false.
Here's the solution. Now let's try to check whether it is working or not. So yes, it is working and let's try to submit it now. So basically it's working now and passing all the test cases. So time complexity in this case is order of n and the space complexity is order of n because of set we are using. If we want to use constant space, then we have to sort the array and then we have to find out. But in that case, the time complexity will be order of n, right? Order of n log n, right?